Hello, everyone! Your body is literally rebuilding itself all the time. Your gut renews every few days, your skin every few weeks, even your blood cells turn over every few months. But as we age, this renewal slows down. Damaged cells build up, and that's where aging and chronic diseases sneak in. The good news? You can actually hack this process. You can help your body regenerate better. You fuel renewal the right way so you slow aging and lower your risk of disease. Let's bring it down. 1. Heal your gut. Your gut is like the front door for all your nutrients. If it's healthy, your whole body benefits. Load up on fiber, veggies, beans, whole grains. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or kimchi. And yeah, ditch the junk and sugar. They fuel the bad bacteria. 2. Calm inflammation. Inflammation is like rust inside your body. Fight it with salmon, flax seeds, turmeric, leafy grains. Drink plenty of water and limit processed meats, alcohol, and refined carbs. 3. Sleep like it's your job. Deep sleep is when your cells actually repair. Shoot for 7 to 9 hours. Dark, cool, quiet room, and seriously, put the phone away before bed. That blue light is wrecking your brain. 4. Stress less. Stress ages you. Meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, awesome tools. Or just hang out with friends. Laughing lowers stress hormones too. 5. Move every day. Exercise literally signals your body to stay young. Aim for 7,000 steps daily. Add some strength training a couple times a week. And don't forget stretching or mobility for your joints. 6. Recharge your mitochondria. Think of mitochondria as your cell's batteries. They run low with age, but you can recharge them. Morning sunlight helps. Dark leafy greens, berries, and healthy fats help too. And short bursts of high-intensity exercise, total game changer. 7. Trigger autophagy. This is your body's cleanup crew. It clears out damaged cells. You can activate it with intermittent fasting, just 12 to 16 hours overnight. Skip the constant snacking. Green tea or black coffee can give it a boost too. 8. Protect your brain. Yes, some brain cells last forever, but you can still grow new ones. Challenge your brain with reading, puzzles, or learning something new. Feed it walnuts, fatty fish, and even a little dark chocolate. Sleep and stress management are huge for your brain too. 9. Keep your immune system strong. Your immune system is like your internal security team. Support it with zinc, vitamin D, antioxidants, regular exercise, and you guessed it, a healthy gut. 10. Minimize toxins. Toxins speed up aging. Go natural with personal care and cleaning products. Don't heat food in plastic. Eat cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cabbage to help your liver detox, and drink plenty of water. So yeah, aging isn't just about your birthday. It's about how well your cells are working. Start small. Pick 2 or 3 of these habits this week. Build from there. If you want a personalized plan, working with a health coach makes it way easier. A coach can tailor everything to your lifestyle so you actually stick with it. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment if you like the video. Thanks for watching.